if you do A-level PE and you're struggling with the electron transport chain, listen up to this. So let's say that the Krebs cycle has just happened here in the matrix of the mitochondria, and the three byproducts are CO2, 2-ATP, and hydrogen. It's actually the hydrogen that is the most important of those byproducts, because the hydrogen then gets transported to the electron transport chain via NAD and FAD. So NAD would transport the hydrogen to the electron transport chain, and the electron transport chain takes place in the cristae of the mitochondria. So let's say this is a mitochondria. The cristae are these folds on this inner membrane, and so along this folded structure here, there'd be a load of these electron transport chains that I've drew out here. And when the hydrogen gets to the electron transport chain and NAD releases it, the hydrogen splits into a H plus ion and an electron. The electrons then diffuse down the electron transport chain, and that's where it gets its name from. So the electrons diffuse down the electron transport chain, and that generates the energy to resynthesize 34 ATP. And then the hydrogen ions that were produced at the start, they bind with oxygen to form water. So overall, in the electron transport chain, it happens in the cristae of the mitochondria. It's where hydrogen splits into a H plus ion and an electron. The electrons are carried down the electron transport chain, and that produces 34 ATP and water as a byproduct.